Ready to upgrade your toolkit with the latest innovations? In today's video, I'm showcasing 20 new power tools that will blow your mind. Cutting-edge gear designed to boost performance, save time, and take your projects to the next level. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, these tools are changing the game. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. ProArt Cordless Engraver Tool. The ProArt Cordless Engraver Tool is perfect for adding custom designs and details to various materials. Its cordless design offers excellent mobility, allowing you to work freely without restrictions. I love how easy it is to control, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The tool provides consistent performance, ensuring clean and precise engravings every time. Whether you're personalizing items or working on creative projects, it delivers impressive results. The lightweight design reduces fatigue, making longer sessions more comfortable. It's a versatile tool that works on wood, metal, and more. If you enjoy adding unique touches to your projects, this engraver is a fantastic choice for creativity and precision. Multi-surface sanding block. The multi-surface sanding block is a simple yet highly effective tool for achieving smooth finishes. It works on various materials, making it versatile for different projects. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. I found it particularly useful for both rough sanding and fine finishing tasks. The block holds sandpaper securely, preventing slipping and ensuring consistent results. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or other surfaces, it delivers even sanding every time. It's perfect for both small touch-ups and larger projects. If you want better control and smoother finishes, this sanding block is a reliable and affordable addition to your toolkit for everyday use. EVA Tipped Push Block. The EVA Tipped Push Block enhances safety and control when working with cutting tools. Its non-slip EVA surface provides a secure grip on materials, reducing the risk of accidents. I really like how it keeps your hands safely away from blades while maintaining precise control. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, even during extended sessions. It's ideal for table saws, routers, and other equipment where safety is critical. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this push block adds an extra layer of protection to your workflow. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in both safety and accuracy.
18V Glide Miter Saw Kit. I have to say, the 18V Glide Miter Saw Kit is an absolute game changer when it comes to precision cutting. The Glide system allows for smooth, accurate crosscuts without taking up too much space, which I really appreciate in my workspace. The cordless design gives me the freedom to move around without worrying about cables, and the battery power is more than enough for most projects. I also love how easy it is to adjust angles, making bevel and miter cuts quick and reliable. The build quality feels solid, and it delivers consistent results every time. Whether you are working on framing, trim, or custom projects, this saw offers both power and control, making it an essential addition to any serious toolkit. 36V Brushless Plunge Saw. The 36V Brushless Plunge Saw is one of those tools that instantly upgrades your precision cutting. I really like how smoothly it plunges into materials, giving me clean, straight cuts every single time. The brushless motor adds efficiency and longer runtime, which means I can focus more on the job instead of worrying about performance drops. It works great with guide rails, making it ideal for detailed and accurate cuts on large panels. The safety features also stand out, giving me more confidence during use. It's surprisingly easy to handle despite its power, and the overall design feels premium. If you're aiming for professional-level results in your projects, this plunge saw is definitely worth considering for your setup.
Corded Oscillating Multi-Tool. I find the corded oscillating multi-tool incredibly useful for those tricky jobs where other tools just cannot reach. It's perfect for cutting, sanding, scraping, and even removing grout, making it one of the most versatile tools in my collection. The corded design ensures consistent power, so I never have to worry about battery life during long tasks. Switching attachments is quick and simple, which saves a lot of time when moving between different applications. I also appreciate the compact design, allowing me to work comfortably in tight spaces. It delivers precise control, making detailed work much easier. If you want a reliable, all-in-one solution for various tasks, this oscillating tool is a smart and practical investment. 18-volt brushless drill kit. The 18-volt brushless drill kit is easily one of the most essential tools I reach for on a daily basis. It offers a perfect balance of power and control, making drilling and driving tasks smooth and efficient. The brushless motor improves performance and extends battery life, which is something I always look for. I like how lightweight it feels, reducing fatigue during longer projects. The adjustable speed settings give me better control depending on the material I'm working with. It also has a sturdy build, so it can handle demanding tasks without any issues. Whether you are assembling furniture or tackling construction projects, this drill kit delivers reliable performance and versatility, making it a must-have in any toolkit.
Cordless Variable Speed Grinder. Using the cordless variable speed grinder has made cutting and polishing tasks much more convenient for me. I really enjoy the freedom of cordless operation, which allows me to work anywhere without restrictions. The variable speed control is a huge advantage because I can adjust it depending on the material or task at hand. It delivers strong performance, handling grinding, cutting, and finishing jobs with ease. The grip feels comfortable and secure, which improves control and safety during use. I also appreciate the durability, as it holds up well under heavy workloads. If you are looking for a powerful and flexible grinding solution, this tool offers excellent performance and reliability, making it a valuable addition to your workshop. 5-inch Orbital Sander Kit. The 5-inch Orbital Sander Kit is one of my favorite tools for achieving smooth, professional finishes. It works incredibly well on wood surfaces, removing imperfections and preparing materials for painting or staining. I like how evenly it sands without leaving swirl marks, which makes a big difference in the final result. The compact and lightweight design allows for comfortable use, even during extended sessions. Dust collection is another great feature, helping keep my workspace clean. The motor provides consistent power, ensuring efficient performance every time. Whether you are refinishing furniture or working on detailed projects, this sander makes the process easier and more effective. It's a reliable tool that delivers clean and polished results effortlessly.
Quick Stop Adjustable Dowel Jig. The Quick Stop Adjustable Dowel Jig makes creating strong, accurate joints easier than ever. It allows you to drill perfectly aligned holes, ensuring tight and secure connections. The adjustable design accommodates various sizes, making it versatile for different projects. I really like how it simplifies what can often be a tricky process. The sturdy build keeps everything stable during drilling, reducing errors and improving precision. Whether you're building furniture or repairing pieces, this jig delivers consistent results. It's especially helpful for beginners who want professional quality joints without complicated setups. Reliable, easy to use, and highly effective, this tool is a great addition to any woodworking setup focused on accuracy and durability.
Precision Shelf Pin Jig. The Precision Shelf Pin Jig is essential for creating evenly spaced shelf holes with perfect alignment. It takes the guesswork out of the process, ensuring consistent results every time. The design is user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. I found it incredibly helpful for cabinet projects where accuracy is crucial. The durable construction ensures it stays aligned during use, preventing mistakes. Whether you're building new shelves or modifying existing ones, this jig speeds up the process while maintaining precision. It's a small investment that delivers big improvements in quality and efficiency. If you want clean, professional-looking shelving, this tool is definitely worth adding to your collection for reliable results. Pro-Lock Metal Face Clamps. Pro-Lock metal face clamps are designed to hold materials securely during assembly, ensuring perfect alignment. These clamps provide strong, stable pressure, making them ideal for woodworking and metal projects. I really appreciate how easy they are to adjust and lock into place. The durable metal construction ensures long-lasting performance, even under heavy use. They're especially useful for joining pieces at right angles, keeping everything aligned while you work. Whether you're building cabinets or frames, these clamps make the process smoother and more accurate. They help reduce errors and improve overall quality. If you want reliable clamping solutions that enhance precision and efficiency, these face clamps are a great addition to your toolkit. ProBench Wood Planer. The ProBench Wood Planer is designed for smoothing and shaping wood surfaces with precision. It delivers consistent results, making it ideal for both rough and fine finishing tasks. I really appreciate how easy it is to adjust, allowing you to achieve the desired thickness quickly. The sturdy construction ensures stability during use, reducing vibrations and improving accuracy. Whether you're working on furniture or general woodworking projects, this planer provides excellent performance. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced users. If you want smoother surfaces and professional quality results, this tool is a great choice. It's reliable, efficient, and a valuable addition to any woodworking setup focused on precision and quality. Triangle Bench Work Grippers. Triangle bench work grippers provide a secure hold on materials during cutting, sanding, or assembly. Their unique design prevents slipping, ensuring stability and precision. I found them incredibly useful for keeping workpieces in place without clamps. The durable material ensures long-lasting performance, even under heavy use. They're easy to position and adjust, making them suitable for various tasks. Whether you're working on small or large projects, these grippers improve control and safety. It's a simple solution that enhances efficiency and accuracy. If you want better stability in your workspace, these grippers are a great addition. They make everyday tasks easier and more reliable without adding complexity.
Helical Upgrade Planer Blades. Helical Upgrade Planer Blades are designed to improve cutting performance and finish quality. They provide smoother cuts and reduce tear out, resulting in better surfaces. I really like how they enhance overall efficiency, making planing tasks quicker and easier. The durable materials ensure long-lasting sharpness, reducing the need for frequent replacements. They're compatible with various planers, making them a versatile upgrade. Whether you're working on hardwood or softwood, these blades deliver consistent results. It's a great way to improve your existing equipment without investing in a new machine. If you want cleaner cuts and better finishes, upgrading to these helical blades is definitely worth considering for your workshop. ForgeCraft Curved Adze Axe. The ForgeCraft Curved Adze Axe is perfect for shaping wood with precision and control. Its curved blade design allows for smooth carving and efficient material removal, making it ideal for detailed woodworking projects. The handle is sturdy and comfortable, giving you a firm grip even during extended use. I found it especially useful for creating curved surfaces and refining shapes that standard tools struggle with. The craftsmanship is impressive, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're working on furniture, sculptures, or custom builds, this axe delivers excellent results. It's a specialized tool, but once you start using it, you'll appreciate how much easier it makes shaping tasks. Definitely a valuable addition for serious woodworking enthusiasts. Laser Guide Mini Circular Saw. The Laser Guide Mini Circular Saw combines portability with precision, making it perfect for quick and accurate cuts. Its built-in laser guide helps you stay on track, ensuring straight lines every time. Despite its compact size, it delivers powerful performance suitable for a variety of materials. I really like how easy it is to handle, especially for smaller or more detailed projects. The lightweight design reduces fatigue, while the safety features provide added confidence during use. It's ideal for DIYers who need a reliable cutting tool without the bulk of a full-size saw. Whether you're trimming wood, cutting panels, or tackling quick repairs, this mini circular saw offers convenience and precision in one compact package.
Soft Grip Contour Scraper Set. The Soft Grip Contour Scraper Set is designed for detailed finishing work, making it perfect for removing paint, glue, or imperfections. Each scraper features a comfortable grip that reduces hand strain, even during extended use. The variety of shapes allows you to tackle different surfaces and contours with ease. I found it incredibly useful for fine detailing, where precision is key. The blades are durable and maintain their edge well over time. Whether you're restoring furniture or working on intricate projects, this set provides excellent control and versatility. It's a simple yet effective tool that can significantly improve the quality of your finishes. If you care about clean, smooth results, this scraper set is definitely worth considering.
ShopVac Dust Separator Pro. The ShopVac Dust Separator Pro helps keep your workspace clean and efficient. It separates dust and debris before they reach your vacuum, improving performance and extending its lifespan. I found it incredibly useful for maintaining a tidy workspace during messy projects. The setup is straightforward, and it works seamlessly with most ShopVac systems. By capturing larger particles, it reduces clogging and ensures consistent suction power. Whether you're sanding, cutting, or drilling, this tool makes cleanup much easier. It's a practical addition for anyone who values a clean and organized workspace. If you want better dust management and improved efficiency, this separator is definitely worth considering for your setup.
ProScrape Razor Blade Set.
The Pro Scrape razor blade set is perfect for removing stubborn materials like paint, adhesive, and residue. The sharp blades provide clean and precise scraping, making tough jobs much easier. I really like how versatile this set is, handling a wide range of surfaces without causing damage. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. The blades are easy to replace, keeping the tool effective over time. Whether you're working on renovations or detailed cleaning tasks, this set delivers reliable performance. It's a simple tool, but incredibly effective. If you need a dependable solution for scraping and cleaning, this razor blade set is a great addition to your toolkit. Precision Multi-Angle Square. The Precision Multi-Angle Square is essential for accurate measurements and layouts. It allows you to mark and measure angles quickly and precisely, improving efficiency. I found it especially useful for complex projects where multiple angles are involved. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the clear markings make it easy to read. It's versatile and works well for both woodworking and metalworking tasks. Whether you're cutting, assembling, or designing, this tool helps ensure accuracy every step of the way. It's a reliable addition to any toolkit focused on precision. If you want better results and fewer mistakes, this multi-angle square is definitely worth having on hand.
Precision Pocket Combo Ruler. The Precision Pocket Combo Ruler is one of those small tools that makes a big difference in accuracy. Compact and easy to carry, it combines multiple measurement functions into one sleek design. You can measure angles, depths, and straight lines without switching tools, which saves time and boosts efficiency. The etched markings are clear and durable, so they won't fade even after heavy use. I love how it fits perfectly in your pocket, making it ideal for quick measurements on the go. Whether you're working in a workshop or on site, this ruler ensures precise results every time. It's especially useful for detailed projects where accuracy matters most. Simple, reliable, and incredibly handy, this tool deserves a spot in every toolbox.
Quick Align Drawer Install Jig. Installing drawers can be frustrating, but the Quick Align Drawer Install Jig makes the process incredibly simple and accurate. This tool helps you position drawer slides perfectly every time, eliminating guesswork and uneven installations. It's adjustable, easy to set up, and works with a wide range of cabinet sizes. I found it especially helpful for speeding up projects while maintaining professional-level results. The sturdy construction ensures it stays in place during use, so you don't have to worry about shifting or misalignment. Whether you're building new cabinets or upgrading existing ones, this jig saves time and effort. It's perfect for both DIYers and professionals who want consistent, precise drawer installations without the usual hassle or frustration involved. AutoMark Pro Saw Gauge. The AutoMark Pro Saw Gauge is a game changer when it comes to making accurate cuts quickly. It automatically marks your measurements, reducing the chance of human error and speeding up your workflow. The design is intuitive, so even beginners can use it effectively without a steep learning curve. I really appreciate how it improves consistency across multiple cuts, which is essential for larger projects. The build quality feels solid, and the markings remain clear even after repeated use. Whether you're working with wood or other materials, this tool ensures clean and precise results. It's a great addition for anyone who values accuracy and efficiency in their cutting tasks and wants to minimize mistakes while maximizing productivity.
Thanks for watching this incredible lineup of incredible tools. Which one are you adding to your collection? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to Power Tool Review for more weekly updates. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore pricing and details on each product. We appreciate your support and can't wait to bring you more exciting reviews. Stay tuned for the next video packed with even more powerful tools.